Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, also you have to repair the Copilot app on your Windows 11 device. So if you are facing issues with the Copilot app on your PC, repairing it can help you resolve problems such as crashes, slow performance, or even unexpected errors. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it the right way. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC. And then you have to choose the Apps option in the left sidebar. And then you have to choose the Installed Apps option. And then you have to search for the Copilot app using the search bar at the top of the screen. And once you have located this app, click on the triple dot icon located right next to it. And choose the Advanced options in the menu. In the Advanced options menu, scroll down to find the Reset section. Here, you should see two options, Repair and Reset. Select the Repair to allow Windows to fix any app-related issues without affecting your data or settings. It's worth pointing out that Windows will now attempt to repair the Copilot app. This process might take a few minutes to complete, and once it is finished, you can test the app to see if the issue has been resolved. Hopefully, the problem has been sorted out for good. However, if the problem persists, you can try the Reset option, but keep in mind that it will delete the app's data and settings, and that's about it. Repairing the Copilot app on Windows is a pretty simple and effective way to fix common issues. If this guide was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.